why I'm having such an issue with focusing this today. Okay, I think we're in focus and hopefully it stays focused. All right, so today we're actually continuing 3-5. So the last problem in 3-5 had to do with doing markup, discount, and tax. So I figured we'd just spend a whole extra day on it because it's not confusing, it's just a lot of steps. Okay, so I recommend printing out this worksheet that I attached because all of the notes are going to be on this worksheet and your practice problems that you have to do after this are going to be on this worksheet. So I'd recommend printing out the worksheet. If you can't, you're going to have to write this down. You also have to write down what the problem is, not just the work for it, okay? So you can refer back. All right, so number 1. We're finding the selling price of each item. So we have the cost of shoes at $29.95. There's a 20% markup on those shoes, so it's going to make the shoes more expensive, right? And then there's 2% tax. So we have to do everything in order. We have to start with the cost of the shoes, find the cost of the shoes after the markup, and then find the cost of the shoes after the tax. Okay, so step 1. We're going to do $29.95 times the 20% markup. 20% is 0.20 in a decimal. So in your calculator, I want you to plug in $29.95 times 0.20, and you will get $5.99. So now we have to figure out what is the cost of the shoes after that markup. So we have to take the original cost of the shoes, which was $29.95, and we have to add $5.99 because that was the cost of the markup. So if you do $29.95 plus $5.99, you're going to get $35.94. We're not done yet though because we still have to do the tax. So now there's a 2% tax on this $35.94. So we're going to take $35.94 and we're going to multiply by 2%, which is 0.02. Put that in your calculator and you will get 0.7188. Do not round until the very, very end of the problem. Keep everything unrounded. Okay, so this is how much the tax is. So now we have to take the cost of this shoe, which was $35.94, okay? The cost of the shoe after the markup. Then we gotta add the tax. So we have to take $35.94 and we're gonna add that tax, which is 0.7188. And when you do that and you round off, you always round to the nearest hundredth at the end because we're talking about money, $36.66. Be very careful in your calculator. Take it one step at a time, nice and slow. Okay, now we're gonna move to number 2. Cost of a microscope is $269.95. There's a 43% markup on that microscope, and then there's 5% tax. So first we'll find the cost after the markup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 269.95 times 43%, which is 0.43, and you will get 116.0785. Remember, do not round until the very, very end, the last step. So that's how much the markup is. So now, to figure out what the cost of the microscope is after the markup, you have to take the cost of the microscope, which was $269.95, and you have to add that markup of 116.0785. And when you put that in your calculator, you will get 386.0285. Now we have a 5% tax on this, so we're going to take the cost, which was 386.0285 times 5% tax, that's 0.05. When you put that in your calculator, you will get 19.301425. So now we have to add that tax onto the cost of the microscope. So 386.0285 was the cost of the microscope, plus the tax, 19.301425, When you add these two numbers and you round off to the nearest hundredth place, you will get $405.33. These two are going to be practice problems for you to do. It's part of your assignment. We're going to jump to number 5 now. This is a little bit different because now we have a markup and then we have a discount. So the cost of the shirt is going to be marked up 25% and then it's going to be discounted, which happens a lot in stores. They'll mark things up, mark things down. Okay, so we're starting with the cost of the shirt, which is $14.95, times the markup, which is 0.25 in a decimal. Put that in your calculator and you will get 3.7375. Step 2, we're going to take the cost of the shirt, which is $14.95, and add that markup. So $14.95 plus 3.7375, and that gives you 18.6875. Step 3, now we have a 45% discount on this. So the cost of the shirt now is 18.6875, but there's a 45% discount, so we're going to multiply by 0.45. And that's 8.409375. Step 4, this is a 45% discount, so instead of adding it, we're going to take it away. So the cost of the shirt was 18.6875 minus, because it's a discount, of 8.409375. We're not rounding any of this till the very end because it's going to keep it most accurate this way. Now, when you round to get your final price, it's $10.28. Let's do this one together. Step 1, cost of CD, $23.50 times a 63% markup, so 0.63 equals 14.805. Make sure you're doing all this in the calculator with me. Pause the video if it's going a little too fast. Number 2, step 2 is we have to now take the cost of the CD, which was $23.50, and we have to add that markup, which was 14.805. And when you add those two numbers, you will get 38.305. Step 3, we're going to take the new cost of the CD, which is 38.305, and we're going to find what 50% of that is, since we have a 50% discount, so that's times 0.50, and that is 19.1525. So that's a discount, so we're going to take that away now from the cost of the CD, so 38.305 minus 19.1525, and we will get $19.15 when rounded off. Number 7 and 8 are also part of your assignment. Moving to the next page. Okay, numbers 9 and 10 we're going to work on now. Okay, so number 9, we have the original price of a microphone, then we have a 42% discount, and then there's going to be 6% tax on that microphone. So remember, discount is taking money away, tax is adding money on, okay? If something's taxed, that's extra money you have to pay. So step 1 is we will take the cost of the microphone, which was $20, and multiply it by 0.42 to figure out what the discount is. And when you do that, you'll get $8.40. Now we're going to take that cost of the microphone. Since it's a discount, we'll subtract $8.40. We'll subtract our discount, and we'll get $11.60. Step 3, now we have to find the tax on the new cost of the microphone, so $11.60. finding the tax, 0.06, that's 6%. That's 0.696. So now we have to take the cost of the microphone, 11.60, and we have to add that tax on of 0.696. And when rounded off, that is $12.30. Okay, last one we're going to do together. Original price of the jacket is $269.50, $269.50. We have to find what 24% of that is, so times 0.24 for the discount. When you put that in your calculator, you'll get 64.68. Now we're going to take the cost of the jacket, which was $269.50, and we're going to subtract that discount of 64.68. So now the price of the jacket is $204.82. Now we have to find the tax. So we have to take the new cost and multiply it by 6% tax, which is 0.06. And that gets us 12.2892. Step 4, we're going to take the cost of the jacket, 204.82 plus $12, 2892, and that is, when rounded off, $217.11. And number 11 and 12 are also going to be part of your assignment, and then the rest of this sheet, so 13, 14, 15, and 16 are all going to be extra credit problems. So I'll give you 2 points for each one if you show your work and you get the right answer on your next test. That's a total possible 8 points you can get if you want to try those. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.